What's the meaning of crumble? Crumble. Crumble.
Crumble. Crumble. Crumble is a verb that refers to the breaking or falling apart of something into small pieces or fragments. The process of crumbling often involves the gradual disintegration of a solid object, such as a cookie or a building, into loose, crumbly pieces or debris. Crumbling can result from external forces, such as weathering or erosion, or from internal factors, such as decay or structural weaknesses. The end result of a crumble is a pile of small, irregularly shaped bits and pieces that are no longer held together in their original form.